Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade on Monday, April 2nd, 2012. And the markets have a nice pop today. Dow up 52 points, up 0.4%. The S&P up 0.74%. And NASDAQ knocking at about 1% in positive territory. Small caps doing the best, up 1.24%. And you have the banks up over a full percent. VIX, though, the volatility index, or the fear indicator, also up 0.7%. Gold up 0.5%. Silver up 2% plus. Crude oil up over 2%. And U.S. dollar down 0.25%. And before we get looking at the charts, a big thank you to SFO. My article for April has hit the front cover. Renewed interest here in green companies poised to be in the black. So this is my article. Make sure you get registered. Once you get registered, you can read all the articles in there, including mine. So, you know, pretty excited about that. Not every day do you get front cover of a very well-respected national magazine. So thank you to all at SFO, especially Michelle. Let's get to the charts here. And if you'd be so kind, click like if you're there at YouTube, or leave me a comment, and I'd appreciate that. Anyways, take a look here. We had this little pop, boom, to the upside. But one line I want to show you is this support line, this till line coming higher. We have support here, and then resistance here. You know, some of you may say, well, you know, those lines don't look right. That's drawn incorrectly. Go to a line chart, and you'll see that perfect support come up, perfect support, now perfect resistance. So this is a rising wedge. We're an uptrend rolling over. This is starting to show a lot of bearish signs at this moment. Going back to a chart here, so we had a nice little pop, but we have major resistance here. We have a resistance here. We didn't even hit that area. See this trend line? Resistance, resistance. We missed it. We couldn't even reach that. And we pulled down, closing right at this line. It's not by accident. If you draw your lines correctly, they act really nicely as support resistance levels. So you don't want to miss out on those. Another line I'd have drawn here is this swing low to this swing low. You can see these lines. See them falling over? You know, they were very steep for a while, and now they're just rolling over. So that's what I'm concerned with. On a weekly chart, we keep going higher, but when are we going to get our pullback? We are due for a multi-week pullback, and I'd like to see that happen at some point. And maybe if we could get down to 1375, or maybe as low as 1350, that would be an area, a nice area to be buying back in. And if we look here at a Fibonacci, yeah, this 1350, that would be a great area. If it could pull down to 1360 area, oh boy, that would be nice. It'd be about where the 20-day moving average would be. But again, this is on a weekly chart, so it's something that we're watching. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold, we had this falling wedge. We broke out a little bull pullback hammer, boom, popping, and we broke a major trend line right there. All looks well with gold, gang. Gold looks like it has more room to run. So we do have a higher swing low, and we do have an inverted head and shoulders being formed at this moment. But for that to be confirmed, we need to break over the top of this line. Resistance, resistance, and that's just where we touch. We touch that resistance and drops. We need to get past that neckline for us to really start to go bullish. So be watching that. Apple, take a look at Apple. Apple, boom, boom. Nice pop today, gang. We had a big time worry. I mean, this was clouds in the distance, thunder in the distance, where we tried to hit that upper trend line. We missed it. We dropped. And things started looking really bearish here, especially on increased volume. But today we had a bounce, not too shabby. The question is, can we keep running to the upside? So right now, the fundamentals is belling out Apple, but the technicals are starting to look pretty choppy. Look how the volume is drying up. Do you see the drop here in volume? Not too good. On such a big pop here, we have less volume on a Monday than we had on a Friday on a down day. Check this out. So don't get too excited about this pop. I want you to still be wary of what we're seeing here in Apple. And GAG, go here, you can see GAG does not come up with a stock. That is a gag on our April Fool's joke. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at yesterday's video for April 1st. I think you'll enjoy it. Take care, safe trading to you, and be sure to leave me a comment or two. I appreciate your time. Thank you for being a part of a new brand here at Grok Trade and a growing community of traders.